Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to unbox something really amazing. So for a fact I know this is most of the guys, you know, uh, favorite car, I can say. At least for me this is one of my favorite cars growing up, which is this one. So the BMW M3 E46 GTR. So I really don't have any words to speak about this. You know, this is this is something a dream came true. So I always wanted this in one in a miniature form, but luckily I'm able to get this one. I really want to thank Rian for this. He actually helped me to get this one. So this one is actually by a Chinese company called Ghost Player. So I don't think this one is a licensed one. So that's what I actually heard about. So you can see crafted in China, but they actually put everything there. Not sure how they didn't get sued, but this looks really beautiful. It comes with an acrylic case, so this costed me somewhere around 2500 rupees, I guess. So let's just unbox this and see how it looks in the hand. I'm really waiting so long to get this. No, I really don't want to waste my time just talking. I think I just ripped it. Okay, here it is. So let's see. Okay, comes off straightforward. Okay. So it has this cool. Okay, it is a card. Okay, okay, that is really nice. So nothing on the back, but this looks really beautiful. Okay, let me just put this aside for a minute. Okay, so here it is. The case, the acrylic case itself is really strong compared to the McLaren ones. I'm really sorry for the background noise, guys. So here it is. As you can see, this is a limited edition. So, and this is the 922 of 999. It has some marks to it. I don't know if it is fingerprints or something. So it has two screws on the bottom. So the color scheme looks really beautiful. Not sure if this is scratch or some kind of paint issue. Okay, it has some kind of scratch there. Okay, let's just remove the screw and see how it looks in hand. Like, I'm just going to pause the video for a minute. So here it is, guys. I just unscrewed it. So let me just put this base here separately, and okay, let's get to the car. Okay, the first impressions of this car, this looks absolutely beautiful. There, it has some kind of acrylics for the headlights. Yeah, it does have. I'm not sure if it has two different paint scheme for this, air intake. Am I going crazy? I'm really not sure. So this part here, which is embossed, they put some kind of sticker here, I guess, for the sliding details. The interior detail looks really awesome. Let me just try to show it to you guys one more time. It has the roll cage and everything properly. So the tail lights are actually made of some kind of acrylics. Even you can see the hook here. Since it's not officially licensed, you can't see the BMW logo here. But they did really a nice job. It may not be very excellent job, but they really did a nice job putting the details to it. So I do have a scratch here, I guess. Yeah, it is a scratch, not sure how I got it. So out of the box I'm having this, which is a bit disappointing for me, to be very honest. Because after waiting like more than 3 months I got this. See, there are some irregularities with the car, but at least we got this, you know, instead of having nothing. There is one brand which is, which are, I really don't know whether it's Auto Art or something. So they are selling that, I think 1 is to 18 scale for I think around 20,000 or 23,000. You can see those in some kind of, some websites like Scale Arts, this kind of websites. So the wiper details actually looks good. It is not painted, it is some kind of plastic there. So the bucket seats and everything, it is really nice. You can see the roll cage detail and everything inside. So it looks really nice, but it has some irregularities. And again, okay, so the back wheels are rolling and front wheels, I think it is not rolling, I guess. It does roll, but it is very tight because it is supposed to be a static model. That's it. I think these are handmade if I'm not wrong. So you can see the exhaust detailing here, which comes here. So as you can see, there is some irregularity in the tires here. Again, this is supposed to be a static model. Yeah. This part is actually made of rubber. So as you can see the imprints here, it is staying on that platform for a long time. So that might be the reason. But apart from that, this casting looks really nice, especially for a Chinese brand and which is not licensed as well. Only if they got licensed, and if they put a little more effort in aligning these pieces and all these things, this casting would be really an amazing casting. More amazing than this. So that's it for today, guys. If you like my video, hit the thumbs up button. If you love my video, subscribe. And as always, thanks for watching this video. Have a great day. Goodbye.